What's up guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros. In this video, we will be showing you exactly how to stay motivated to work out at home. Let's dive right into the video guys. So during this time, it's really harder. It's a lot harder to stay motivated, at least for me. I just started getting back into working out. So know that I'm not perfect in all this. I still struggle in the same way you guys do. But this is just to help you guys. So to help keep me accountable as well. Diving right into the video, you're gonna have to have reasons, strong reasons why you're working out. Maybe that's to live a long and healthy life. Maybe that's to accomplish this certain goal, to complete this 5K race that you're trying to run. Just make sure you have strong reasons why you're working out, and that's just gonna keep you consistent to help you doing it. The next thing is to realize that the good feeling of getting the certain thing done comes after you've done it, or through that little time period where you're like, all right, should I work out, should I not? That takes up a lot of energy, and when you just say, all right, I'm gonna do it, and you get moving, then it's easier. Once you get moving, then you start to have those hormones kick in, and you feel good and all that, and those endorphins kick in, and you feel a lot better even just when you start working out. So be sure to, before you work out, it sucks. Like you decide, okay, just try to decide as quick as you can, because also it takes energy to say, should I not? And then that takes up more energy than even working out, believe it or not. So so deciding, okay, I'm gonna do it, and then knowing that the good feeling is gonna come a few minutes into the workout. Just think, like, a good thing you could do is, all right, I'm gonna only, do a certain amount, and then just keep going and going. Just promise yourself, I'm only gonna do this much, and then I'm gonna go relax. But once you get into it, you feel a lot better, and then you'll be able to keep going. You trick your mind. That's another thing you can do. A bonus tip would be to get an accountability partner to help you keep accountable. Text him or her every day, and be like, all right, could you keep me accountable to working out? Let's keep each other accountable that we done our workouts. And even if it's just a text back and forth, or a Facebook message, or DM, whatever, just keep each other accountable. That's powerful. We need people in our lives. We need that connection as well, and that's super powerful. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos, and click the link in the description for my story, and I'll talk to you guys later. God bless.